Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're embarking on an exciting journey through the bustling streets of Africa. We're on a quest to discover a culinary treasure trove, tucked away amidst the vibrant markets and aromatic food stalls. Our focus, unearthing the hidden gems of street food that are not only tantalizingly delicious, but could also be your allies in the quest for a healthier lifestyle. African street food is a symphony of flavors, a delightful dance of textures, and an explosion of colors that leaves the senses captivated. But did you know that within this diverse culinary landscape, there are dishes that can actually contribute to weight loss? Yes, you heard that right. Some of these street foods are low in calories, high in nutrients, and packed with flavor, making them perfect for those looking to shed a few pounds without compromising on taste. Africa, with its rich tapestry of cultures, offers a culinary journey that is as diverse as the continent itself. From the fiery grilled delights of West Africa to the hearty, wholesome dishes of the East, there's a culinary adventure waiting at every corner. But today our journey takes a unique turn. We're seeking out those dishes that are not only a feast for the senses, but also kind to your waistline. As we navigate through this culinary maze, let's make it an interactive experience. Think about how these dishes could be incorporated into your diet. Would you try them? Are you excited to experiment with new flavors? Let your thoughts flow freely in the comments section. And before we dive into this delicious exploration, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell. You wouldn't want to miss out on any of our exciting food adventures, would you? Ready to bring the vibrant streets of Africa into your kitchen? Let's roll up our sleeves and create a simple, nutritious dish inspired by today's spotlight ingredients. We're about to embark on a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and maybe even transform your diet. So are you ready? Let's dive in. First, the moin-moin. Let's gather our ingredients. For this traditional Nigerian delight, we'll need black-eyed peas, onions, bell peppers, and a selection of spices, including chili powder, turmeric, and ginger. Not only do these spices bring a burst of flavors to the dish, but they're also chock full of health benefits. So, we're not just cooking up a tasty meal, but a nutritious one too. Now, on to the first step. Soak the black-eyed peas overnight. You'll find that this softens them up, making the next steps a breeze. Once they've soaked, rub the peas between your hands to remove the skins and give them a good rinse. This is where the fun begins. Blend the peas with onions and bell peppers to form a smooth paste. This paste forms the base of our moin-moin, and it's rich in both protein and fiber, making it excellent for weight loss. Next, we're going to add some flavor. Throw in your turmeric, ginger, and a hint of chili powder. The heat from the chili powder, the warmth of the ginger, and the earthy tones of the turmeric will give your moin-moin that authentic African street food taste. But that's not all. These spices will kickstart your metabolism, giving you an extra helping hand in your weight loss journey. Mix thoroughly to ensure the spices are evenly distributed. Now we move on to the cooking process. Pour the mixture into banana leaves or aluminum cups. The traditional method uses banana leaves, which not only gives the dish its unique shape, but also imparts a distinct flavor to it. However, if you can't find banana leaves, aluminum cups work just as well. Steam your moin-moin for about 45 minutes to an hour, or until the mixture solidifies and becomes cake-like. Once cooked, let it cool slightly before unwrapping. The aroma that wafts out as you unwrap your moin-moin is a sensory delight in itself, but we're not done yet. To serve, you can pair your moin-moin with a side of light, fluffy injera, or over a bed of fresh greens for a low-carb option. Either way, you've got yourself a nutritious, filling meal that embodies the spirit of African street food right in your kitchen. So, there you have it, folks. The moin-moin, a simple, healthy, and absolutely delicious dish that you can whip up at home. It's a piece of Africa's rich culinary tradition that you can enjoy right at your dining table. So go ahead, give it a try, and let the flavors of Africa light up your taste buds. Welcome to the heart of our culinary journey, the health benefits of moin-moin. This Nigerian delight is not just a feast for the taste buds, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. Let's delve into the health secrets of this humble dish. The base of moin-moin, as you know, is black-eyed peas. This legume is a rich source of protein, essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. But here's the exciting part for those on a weight loss journey. Protein also helps you feel fuller for longer. This means you're less likely to reach for those unhealthy snacks between meals. But that's not all. Black-eyed peas are also packed with fiber. Consuming fiber-rich foods can help maintain a healthy weight and lower the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and some types of cancer. If that's not a superfood, I don't know what is. Moving on to the spices, we have turmeric, ginger, and chili powder. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that's known to fight inflammation and may even prevent certain types of cancer. Ginger is a well-known digestive aid that can soothe upset stomachs and reduce nausea. And chili powder? It's a natural metabolism booster. It can help your body burn calories faster, aiding in weight loss. So the next time you're looking for a healthy meal option, remember moin-moin. It's not just a delicious dish, it's a bundle of health benefits wrapped in a leaf or cup. It's a testament to how African street foods can be simple, nutritious, and incredibly satisfying. And let's not forget, the beauty of moin-moin lies in its versatility. You can enjoy it as a standalone dish, or pair it with other healthy options like injera or a bowl of fresh greens. Either way, you're in for a treat, and your body will thank you for it. These spices will kickstart your metabolism, aiding in your weight loss journey. Now, let's turn our culinary spotlight to injera, Ethiopia's beloved staple. Injera is a unique sourdough flatbread that's not just a dish, but also an eating utensil in Ethiopian cuisine. Its strong, spongy texture makes it perfect for scooping up stews and salads. But what really sets injera apart is its primary ingredient, a grain called teff. This tiny powerhouse is rich in protein, fiber, and a range of essential minerals, making injera a fantastic addition to a weight loss diet. So, how do we prepare injera? It starts with teff flour. You can find this at health food stores or online, and if you can't get your hands on it, don't worry. Buckwheat or whole wheat flour make decent substitutes. Now, to start our injera, we first need to prepare a starter, or ersho. This involves mixing teff flour with water in a ratio of 1:1 and letting it sit at room temperature for about 2 to 3 days. This fermentation process gives injera its distinctive sour taste and bubbly texture. Once your ersho is nice and bubbly, it's time to make the batter. Mix some of the starter with more teff flour and water, creating a thin pancake-like batter. Let this mixture sit for a few more hours to allow the fermentation to continue. When you're ready to cook, heat a non-stick pan or a traditional Ethiopian clay plate called a mitad. Pour the batter in a circular motion, starting from the outside and working your way to the center. This technique gives injera its characteristic spiral pattern. Let it cook undisturbed until holes form on the surface. Then cover the pan and let it steam for a few minutes. Unlike pancakes, we don't flip injera. Once it's fully cooked, it should easily peel off the pan. Now here's a tip. Injera is typically served at room temperature, so it's a good idea to prepare it ahead of time. This also gives the flavors more time to develop. Injera is traditionally served with doro wat, a spicy chicken stew, or misir wat, a lentil curry. But if you're aiming for weight loss, consider pairing it with lighter vegetable-based dishes. The spongy texture of injera is perfect for soaking up the flavors of these dishes, making every bite a delightful experience. And there you have it, injera, a versatile, nutritious flatbread that's as fun to eat as it is to prepare. It's a testament to the creativity and resourcefulness of Ethiopian cooks, who have turned a humble grain into a national treasure. Injera is not just a food, it's a way of life in Ethiopia. And now it can be a part of your weight loss journey too. Injera is more than just a delicious staple, it's packed with health benefits too. This traditional Ethiopian bread is made from a grain known as teff, which is one of the tiniest and most nutritious grains in the world. High in protein, calcium, and iron, teff provides a powerhouse of nutrients in each bite. But let's focus on the weight loss benefits of injera. Teff is a rich source of dietary fiber, which is essential for good digestive health. Fiber helps to keep you feeling full for longer periods of time, reducing the urge to snack between meals. This can be particularly helpful for those who are trying to manage their weight. In addition to its high fiber content, injera is also low in calories. One serving of injera has fewer calories than many other types of bread, making it a healthier choice for those who are mindful of their calorie intake. Plus, it's gluten-free, which is a boon for those with gluten sensitivities or those who are following a gluten-free diet. Teff, the primary ingredient in injera, is also rich in resistant starch, a type of fiber that has been linked to several health benefits. including improved blood sugar control, enhanced gut health, and increased feelings of fullness. This could have a positive impact on weight management, as improved blood sugar control can help to prevent cravings, while feelings of fullness can reduce calorie intake. Injera also pairs perfectly with a variety of healthy, nutrient-dense foods such as lentils, vegetables, and lean meats. This makes it easy to enjoy a balanced meal that not only tastes great, but also supports your weight loss goals. To sum it up, Injera offers a unique blend of health benefits that make it a great choice for anyone looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy lifestyle. It's high in fiber, low in calories, and pairs well with a variety of healthy foods. So the next time you're looking for a healthy, satisfying addition to your meal, consider reaching for a piece of Injera. Injera, with its high fiber content and low calorie count, is a perfect addition to any weight loss diet. We've taken a culinary journey through the streets of Africa and discovered some delicious, healthy street foods that can aid in our weight loss journey. We've ventured through the vibrant markets, savored the mouth-watering aromas, and unveiled the magic behind these delectable dishes, all from the comfort of our own homes. We kicked off our expedition with the Nigerian moin-moin, a protein-packed, fiber-rich delight that is as tasty as it is nutritious. Crafted from black-eyed peas, onions, bell peppers, and a medley of metabolism-boosting spices, it's a dish that is sure to please your palate and your waistline. Whether served as a main course or as a side dish, moin-moin is a testament to the incredible culinary creativity found on the African continent. Next, we journeyed to Ethiopia to uncover the secrets of Injera, the Ethiopian sourdough-risen flatbread made from teff, a gluten-free grain packed with protein, fiber, and a slew of essential minerals. It's a versatile staple that pairs well with a variety of dishes, making it a must-try for anyone looking to incorporate African cuisine into their diet. But it's not only about the taste. These dishes are steeped in culture, tradition, and a love for wholesome, nutritious ingredients. They embody the spirit of African street food, vibrant, diverse, and undeniably delicious. And the best part, they can easily be recreated at home, allowing you to bring a piece of Africa into your kitchen. So, whether you're a seasoned foodie or a curious beginner, these dishes offer a unique opportunity to expand your culinary horizons while also taking care of your health. After all, who said that eating healthy had to be boring? With these African street foods, you can enjoy a feast of flavors while also aiding your weight loss journey. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. We hope that it has inspired you to explore new flavors, try new recipes, and perhaps even embark on your own food adventure. Remember, food is not just about nourishment, it's about culture, tradition, and the joy of discovery. So don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. You never know, you might just find your new favorite dish. And as you experiment with these recipes, remember to enjoy the process. After all, cooking is an art, and like any art, it should be fun, exciting, and a little bit adventurous. So until our next culinary adventure, keep exploring, keep cooking, and most importantly, keep enjoying good food. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, happy cooking and healthier living.